Good evening, friends. In the last video, we started a new core Java batch, the two on weekend. Let me revise for a few minutes what we discussed in the last class. Sir, our course is core Java. Fees of this batch is 7,000 rupees. This is the contact number that you need to contact before coming to the next class. That means next weekend you will have the regular classes. The duration of this batch is 8 to 10 weekends. We are going to cover this batch. 8 to 10 weekends we are going to spend. Okay, minimum 8, maximum 10. Okay, and we will have these classes on Saturdays and Sundays. We will have these classes on Saturdays and Sundays. Okay, so the timings of this batch is at 7 p.m. So every Saturday and Sunday we will have the class at 7 p.m. That means from 7 to 10. Meanwhile, we will give some 2 15 minutes break. Okay, we will give some 2 15 minutes break. Okay, so what benefits we are going to get from this course? Okay, and what is a prerequisite for this course, and what syllabus we are going to cover as a part of this particular course? And even we have seen the introduction to Java. Okay, who invented Java, what are the different versions of Java available? Next, and after that, what softwares are required if you want to learn Java, what softwares you need to install in your machine, and how to create a sample Java program, and even in detail elaboration also I have given. Sir, even we printed some messages also in the output screen. So if anyone is new for this class, sir, this is my first class, like that, if anyone is there, yes, this video was uploaded in the YouTube, sir, you can able to cross check. So from that you will get some idea what we discussed in the last video. Okay, right. Sir, now in today's session also I need to go with some Java program, sir. Okay, let me see how you can able to execute a simple Java program. Okay, sir, I am going to new a Java source file. I am selecting. Let us take the file name as a demo. Okay, let us take the file name as a demo. Sir, what is the main method syntax in Java? So everything should be placed inside a class, because Java, you know very well, it is nothing but a pure, almost 99% it is an object oriented principle. That's why we are taking class. Any class name you have to take, need not be demo, anything, but please make sure the first letter, it is always capital letter. It is highly recommended. Okay, even if you are taking small letter also, the program is going to work, but recommended to take capital letter. Then we have to take public, and then static, so and then void main we have to take. Okay, 1 minute. Right, sir. So public, static, void main, and then we have to take string array args. Sir, you can take these brackets either here or here, anywhere, no issues at all. Okay, that part we will discuss in arrays. And here I want to print some message saying hi. Okay, so hello programmers, like this I am taking. Sir, what is the first step? We have to save the file. I am clicking on save button. It will ask where you need to save your file. Sir, I want to save this file in C drive. Okay, in C drive I want to create a folder with name sir Prakash underscore classes. In this folder I want to save the file. Yes, you can give file name. Sir, I am giving the file name as demo.java. Okay, so my program is ready, but where I have saved my file in C drive, I created a new folder with name sir Prakash underscore classes. Inside this I have taken demo.java. This is the program what I have. Now I have to open command prompt. Okay, once if you open command prompt, you will get like this. Then, sir, where this command prompt is available? C drive. But in C drive, it is available in different locations. I don't want all these locations. Can you come out from all these locations? Sir, you can take cd backslash so that it will come out from all the directives. Sir, it is just you have to remember. Okay, but once if you practice, then you will get the clarity. Then cd space I want to give the folder name. What is a folder name? So Prakash underscore classes. Just to press enter, it entered into that particular folder. Yes, now my file is available. If you want, you can see. Sir, is the demo.java file is there or not? Yes, just today only we created at 7:16 p.m. Yes, my file is available. Then, sir, I want to compile this program. Yesterday we have seen one command. Can you please can you please confirm which command we are using to compile the Java code? Anyone remembered? Yes, very good, Vishal. Excellent. So Java C command, yeah, very good, Shivashankar. So Java C space file name. What is the file name that you have given? Demo.java. Yes, successfully my code is going to compile. But how to run this program? Sir, to run the program we have to use one more command, which is nothing but java space demo. Have you observed? We got the message saying hi hello programmers. Perfect, right? This is the way how you can able to execute a simple Java program on the command prompt. Next, sir, I want to go with one more Java program. Okay, where I'm giving the file name as Sunday. Okay, let me take sir hello coders, like this I am taking. Okay, sir, I will save the file as, okay, saturday.java. Sir, my class name is Sunday, but my file name is Saturday. Oh, difference is there. Sir, class name. Okay, what is the class name that you have provided, sir? Sir, the class name is nothing but Sunday. What is the file name that you have given? The file name is nothing but something like sir, saturday.java. Like this I have given. Sir, in such cases, please make sure while running the program you have to take a very special care, sir. Okay, yes, now observe carefully. How to compile the code means, sir, Java C, the syntax for compiling code is nothing but Java C space file name dot java. So here, what is the file name? Sir, I have given the file name as a Saturday, so we have to take saturday.java. Yes, successfully the code is compiled. But don't run by taking Saturday. Okay, don't run by taking Saturday. If you are trying to take Saturday, then we are going to get could not find or load main class Saturday. This Saturday main class is not available. Like this we are getting. So what error you have to see here? Class not found exception we are getting. Okay, so class not found exception we are getting. This is the way. So what kind of error message we are going to get? Sir, how to avoid this? You have to take the class name. What is the class name, sir? Java space Sunday. Now once if you press enter, automatically you are going to get a message. Okay, so how to execute the code? Java space you have to take a class name. Java space you have to take a class name. Okay, this is nothing but So how you can able to compile the program and how you can able to run the program. So with respect to names, I have explained the differentiation, sir. So file name and the class name, it is always recommended to take same. Okay, so it is highly recommended, it is highly recommended to take so file name and class name as a same. It is highly recommended to take file name and class name as a same, sir. Okay, so I hope with this you got some complete clarity how we can able to execute your Java program. Sir, please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this? Yes, do you have any doubts up to this? Right, sir. Now my requirement is, okay, sir, I want to show you one simple image is there with me, main method with name main method. Sir, let me show you that image, sir. Okay, in this the complete Java skeleton I explained with the help of a small diagram. 1 minute, that image is loading. Yes, sir, you can see here. This is nothing but my simple Java program format, sir. This is nothing but my simple Java program format. Have a look once. We have a class is there. Okay, we have a class is there. And what is the class name? I have taken the class name as a test, and the public static void main is there. So which is taking string array args. Okay, and system.out.println of hi Java. This is the message what I am taking. Sir, here, what is this class meaning? Have you observed Java is an object-oriented programming language? So hence everything is treated as an object. Okay, so Java is an object-oriented programming language. So hence even main method we have to place within the class only. Even if you want to take a simple Java program, sir, main method you have to take within the class. Then what is the name of this test? It is a class name. Test is the class name. Any name we can take, but starting must be always caps. Then what about this public? Public means from anywhere we can access main method. Public means from anywhere we can access main method. What is this static? Without object we have to access main method, which should be always static method, sir. Even without the help of object we can able to call this one. Okay, that's why we have to declare this one as a static method. What about this void? Yesterday only I told return type is empty, so that's why I am going to keep the word called void. Sir, what about this main? Main is nothing but a starting point of any program. You can take main is nothing but a starting point of any program, sir. What about the string array arguments? String array args is the inputs are stored in the form of args array. The input is stored in the form of this one, sir. So what are the output messages we have? Of course, system.out.println is nothing but an output statement in Java. We have three output statements are there. In our upcoming sessions we are going to talk about that: system.out.println or system.out.print, system.out.printf. Depending on your situation you can use. Okay, so how to save this file? Test.java, which is highly recommended. Okay, test.java, which is highly recommended. And how to compile the program, sir? Java c space test.java. How to run the program? Java space test. That's all, nothing beyond that. So how to compile the code? Java c test.java. How to run the code? Java space test. Okay, so if you save this file as a test.java, by mistake if I am saving the file as a prakash.java, which is never recommended, but if you tried, then while compilation you have to give the file name whatever you have given, but while executing you have to take the class name. Okay, while compiling you can take any name, but while executing you have to take a class name. So this is nothing but a small diagrammatic explanation how this particular main method is going to work. I mean, simple Java program is going to work. Sir, please confirm up to this. If you are having any doubts, please let me know. Otherwise, I will go with the next upcoming topics. Please confirm. Do you have any doubts up to this, friends? Right, sir. So very good. Now, let me go for the next upcoming topic. Of course, we have some theory fundamentals up there, sir, but I'm not going to cover as of now. We will discuss in our upcoming classes, okay? Because in the demo, I don't want to take all the theory related stuff, okay? Sir, I want to explain one Java important feature, sir. Okay, one of the Java important feature is nothing but, sir, do you know, it is nothing but ORA principle, sir. ORA means what? Sir, write once and run anywhere. Sir, we can write only one time and you can run anywhere. Sir, here we can prepare, okay, we can prepare Java program in one system, okay, and sir, we can run this program, we can run this program from anywhere, from anywhere, in the sense, sir, any OS or any system, from any OS we can run or any system you can take. Sir, a simple diagram I want to mention for you people regarding this. So let me take, sir, I am preparing one simple program in my system. Consider this is my operating system. Sir, in this operating system I am trying to prepare a simple Java program, sir. Consider this is one my PC, okay. Sir, here I am going to prepare the program. Sir, once if the program is prepared here, you can send this program to any number of systems, okay. Maybe consider this is nothing but my, sir, main system, sir, system number 1, okay, system number 1, and consider this one is nothing but system number 2, okay, and sir, this one will become system number 3, okay, and this one will become, sir, system number 4. Like this we have totally 4 systems are there, okay. But sir, where I prepared my Java program, in this I prepared my Java program which is nothing but test.java. Sir, my program is there here. I want to execute that program in this operating system. Yes, why can't? Happily you can run, no issues at all, okay. Sir, how you are going to run? Very simple. So I told, right, whenever you are compiling, we will get one special file, sir, that is nothing but a test.class, okay. Maybe I have not explained for you. If you observe clearly, sir, have a look once. Dir star dot star I am taking. Sir, whenever we are compiling demo.java file, immediately, sir, it was created with demo.class. And whenever we are running, whenever we are compiling this saturday.java, we got sunday.class file. Have you observed? Like this we got, sir, okay. Sir, this dot class file is nothing but an intermediate file which can be transferred from one system to another system. So this particular dot class file is going to be received, okay, here in this system, and it will execute that dot class file. Okay, the execution process is depends here. Who is responsible to execute this process, sir? JVM internally. Sir, every system is going to have this JVM software. That JVM is responsible to execute your Java program. Okay, sir, if you take one operating system like Windows supporting JVM will be there. So if you are using Linux related JVM will be there. So if you take Mac OS supporting JVM will be there. Sir, if you take any operating system, that operating system related JVM you have to use. So okay, remember carefully. And if you want, I can use one small important word so that you can understand what is that word is nothing but observe carefully. Sir, Java is platform. Java is a platform independent. That means what? We can prepare and we can run Java program in any operating system. But okay, but sir, JVM is platform dependent. JVM is platform dependent. That means what? If you want to run the Java program, then that is depending on the operating system only. Okay, so Windows operating system will have Windows JVM. Linux operating system will have Linux JVM. Okay, Mac OS operating system will have Mac OS JVM. Like that, JVM is platform dependent, but Java is platform independent. Okay, sir, this is nothing but a small theory what we need to observe. Java feature. Okay, sir, I will add that two note points also here. Note one, sir, Java is so platform. Okay, platform independent. Sir, note 2, sir, Java, sorry, JVM is, sir, platform dependent. Okay, dependent. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. Sir, do you have any doubts up to this? Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this, everyone? Very good, sir. Now, sir, I have four questions for you. Okay, so please try to 1 minute. One minute, sir. A small quiz I want to take for you people. So with some 5 questions. 1 minute. 1 minute. Right, sir. So have a look once. You need to answer for these questions. Yes, sir. I think you can able to see the questions on my screen. So what is the first question? You have to give the answer, sir. Write the syntax to compile a Java program from command prompt. Sir, if I want to compile a Java program from command prompt, yes, which command we have to use? That complete syntax. Could you please post it on chat window? Very good. So Java C space file name dot Java you have to use. Right. Sir, write the syntax to execute Java program from command prompt. Yes, please confirm which command we are going to use to execute, sir. Very good. Sir, you can take Java followed by file name. Excellent. Now my question is, JVM is platform dependent. Could you please state whether it is true or false? JVM is a platform dependent. Is it true or false? Just now we covered. Yes, it is platform dependent. Sir, Java is platform dependent. Could you please confirm? Java is platform dependent or independent? Yes, platform independent. That's why it is false. Sir, I have one more question is there for you people. Sir, JVM stands for. Could you please tell me among these options, which is the correct option? JVM full form. Java Virtual Memory, Java Virtual Memory, Java Virtual Mission, Java Video Mission, none of the above. Yes, of course, if you are coming from some programming background, you know very well about this. But don't worry, sir, it is nothing but Java Virtual Mission. The correct option is nothing but B. Very good, excellent. Everyone is telling correct answer. Now the next question, sir, what is the extension of bytecode file? Maybe it is somewhat difficult for you, but I think you can able to answer, sir. Yes, please confirm. What is the extension of bytecode, sir, among these? Anyone? Yes, everyone. Very good. So make sure option is nothing but D. Dot class is nothing but extension for bytecode. Sir, if you see, I said there will be one transferable file, right? That is nothing but a test dot class. Sir, this test dot class is called as bytecode, which can be understandable only by the Java virtual machine. Okay, which can be understandable by only Java virtual machine. This is called as bytecode, sir. Okay, this is nothing but a bytecode what we have. Right. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. Now, sir, let me go for next one. Let me go for next one. Sir, the next concept what we have here is yeah, let me talk about so data types. Data types. So what is mean by data type? It is a very important question. As a programmer, you should know what is mean by data type. Sir, data type represents, okay, data type represents the type of the data, so which we are using inside Java, sir. Okay, inside not only Java, sir, inside any program, what type of data type you are using, that will be decided by data types. Okay, of course, if you are coming from a programming language, you know very well every programming language is going to provide support for different types of data types. But I have a small question is there. So could you please post it on chat window, what are the data types that is known to you? Yes, please. What are the data types that are known to you? Yes, I want to view from your side. Please post it on chat window. I will wait for 1 minute. Yes, what type of data you come across? Yes, please respond, everyone. Even if it is wrong, don't worry. Please post it. Excellent. Sir, everyone shared some options. Okay, let us make it as interactive sessions, sir. Then it will become very easy for you to understand. Okay, very good. So but let me classify, all your answers are correct answers only. Sir, here at the top level, the data which we are using generally will become integers. Similarly, real values. Similarly, characters. Okay, similarly, boolean values. These are the regular data which we are working in the programming domain especially. Sir, integers means what? Integers means what? Suppose if you take any number like 10 or 20 or 30 or 1000, sir, my marks are 99. These type of data will comes under integer category. I can say minus infinite to plus infinite, all the values will comes under integers. Sir, what about real values? If you take any data which is in the form of points, that means how that points we got by dividing, right? So if you take any point representation, it comes under real values, sir. Best example, 2.3. Sir, is it a floating point, I mean real value or not? Yes. Sir, characters. Of course, we have some different characters are there, sir. Sir, in our previous programming languages, we have ASCII code characters are there. So what is mean by ASCII code? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Like this, ASCII. But in our Java, in addition to that, we have Unicode also. Unicode means universal coding, sir. Universal characters are available here. Sir, what about Boolean? Sir, have you remembered? I have given one question for you in the previous case. This is Java is a platform dependent. We have only two options are there. One is you can take either yes or no, or you can take true or false. Okay, like that. So such a type of data will comes under Boolean. That means to hold, okay, to hold true or false, true or false, or yes or no type of questions you can able to frame by using these Boolean values. This is nothing but at the top level, what are the data types supported. Sir, what about Java? What about Java? Yes, my Java is going to provide support for integers. So my Java is going to provide support for real values. My Java is going to provide support for characters. My Java is going to provide support for Boolean. Okay, sir, what about integers? Okay, what about integers? Sir, how my Java is going to support for integers? My Java will provide support for integers by using these data types. Sir, we have byte is there, we have short is there, we have int is there, we have long integer is there. For real values, we have float is there, we have double is there. Sir, for characters, we have only one type, that is character. For Boolean, we have only one type, which is nothing but Boolean. Okay. So integers are again classified into how many types? Four types. Real values are classified into how many types? Two types. Characters are classified into how many types? Only one type. Boolean is classified into how many types? Only one type. Like this we have. Okay, sir, why these many divisions? Means suppose if you take 10, okay, and if you take this number, so to hold this value, sir, we required small amount of, okay, small amount of space, and even, sir, we required less time for accessing. Okay, but what about this one? So if you want to store this, we require large amount of space is required, and even, sir, more time is required for accessing, right? So because of this, so we have divisions are there. So all these integers are classified into, so byte, short integer, and then long integer. Okay, like this we have. So if you take byte, it will occupy some less amount of space and time when compared with short. And short is going to occupy some less amount of space and time when compared with integer. Like this data is going to be accommodated. So if you want to represent in math term, so byte is less than short, is less than int, is less than long. Similarly here also, so we have float, okay, less than double, like this. So we don't have any divisions for character and boolean. The reason for that is nothing but, sir, here character means only limited characters are there. ASCII characters means almost we have 0 to 255. That means a total 256 characters are there. But if you take Unicode, almost 65,000 characters are there. Okay, so that's all. So one data is sufficient. There is no groups. And even for boolean, only two values are allowed. So that's why there is no division. The division is there only for integers, real values, characters, and then boolean. And let me cover two more points. Some people are using the word called primitives, okay, and some people are using these data types are divided into primitives and non-primitives. Yes, so these data types are also classified into primitives and non-primitives. So whatever data types that we are covering now, okay, so these integers, okay, and then real values, okay, and then characters, okay, and boolean values. So these data will comes under what type of data? Primitive. Okay, and remaining all are considered as, sir, we can use the word called non-primitive, okay, or the famous terminology objects. So this is nothing but what we have. So next, for every data type we are going to cover some points. What is the first point that we will discuss in detail? Sir, please confirm up to this, do you have any doubts? Please confirm everyone. Yes, if everything is clear, I will go with next concept. Right, sir. So I have few more questions are there. So please try to answer these questions. So I'm expecting you to select the correct answer. If possible, try to write, don't give options. So please confirm which among the following is not a data type in Java. Of course, we have seen almost everything. Please confirm among these which of these four are not data type. Yes, just now a data type in Java. Can anyone confirm where we are using this var character data type? If you know, please confirm. Yes, please confirm where we are using this var character. Any idea? Yeah, very good. It is used in database like MySQL. Yeah, correct. Oracle, PLSQL there. So let me go with the next question. Okay. So what is the next question is, so what is the abbreviation of ASCII? Please confirm. Yeah, in this case, you can give the option. Don't write, just give me the correct option. Don't take too much time. Very good. Yes, the option is nothing but C. I think some people are copying, right? Yes. Next question. So choose the right statement about Java data types. Here I have almost 4 statements are there. So please confirm which is correct for this. Very good. So the option is nothing but D. So what is the first one? Integer data types are byte short integer long. Okay. So real, yeah, correct. Real numbers, real data types are float and then double. And the character data type is only char. And the correct option is nothing but all these data types. Okay. Right. So coming to the next one. So we are going to talk about these data types in detail. So observe carefully. For every data type, so we are going to represent what is the data type name, what is the data type name next, and after that, so what word we are using, of course we will discuss in next topic. So what keyword, what important word we are using to represent that one, and what is the wrapper class name, or let me take size, what is the size of that data type, and what is the wrapper class name of that data type. Okay, so next and after that, what is the default value for that data type, and what is the range. Okay, what is the range. So these points we are going to talk about every data type. Suppose once if you see one or two examples, then you will get clarity. Data type means it comes under which family, keyword means what word you are using to represent, and size means how much memory it is going to occupy, and the wrapper class name, what is a wrapper class name for the data type, and the default values and the range. So let me talk few minutes about this size. If you take size, so every data type is going to be measured by using this size in terms of bits or in terms of byte. We know the system memory will be calculated based on this terminology only. So next, what about the wrapper class? See, in Java, we are going to use one word. Everything is an object. Even if you are working with any new mission, suppose consider I have a big problem, or if I have a big project is there. That project is going to accept the inputs in the form of objects only. Okay, and it is going to release the data, or it is going to give the output in the form of objects only. So everything in Java is considered as an object only, but except these 8 primitives, except these 8 primitives. What are those 8 primitives? Just now we have seen. So byte short int long, and then float double, so character boolean. Except these 8 remaining, everything is treated as a primitive only. So to convert, okay, to convert these primitives, to convert these primitives into objects, so we have wrapper classes are there. Wrapper classes are there, which is introduced in 1.5 version, which is introduced in 1.5 version. So that what will happen, if you are giving 10, sometimes it won't accept, my Java program is not going to accept, then you can convert that 10 into object format, then my Java program is going to accept. That conversion purpose, we are going to use this wrapper class. Of course, we have a separate topic is there regarding these wrapper classes. Wrapper means something like cover, sir. We are going to project that it is not a primitive, it is an object. Okay, so don't worry, we have in detail concept is there for these wrapper classes. Okay, we will discuss that soon in our upcoming classes. Please confirm the introduction what we are going to cover for almost 10 to 15 minutes next. So is it clear for you? For all these 8 data types, we are going to cover these points. Please confirm every word in this. Is it clear for you? Please respond, everyone. Right, sir. So let me go with one by one. Okay. So the first data type what we have here is a byte. Okay, byte data type. So if you take byte data type, so the name of the data type what we are going to use is nothing but sir, it comes under which category? Integers. What is the keyword? Sir, byte is the keyword. Sir, how much size it is going to occupy? Sir, it will occupy 1 byte. 1 byte means what? 8 bits. What is the wrapper class name? Byte is the wrapper class name, B caps. Remember carefully, the keyword name starts with a small letter. Here it is starts with a capital letter. So what is the default value? That means if you are not providing any value for byte, it will take 0 as the default value. Sir, when we have to go for this byte data type, what is the range? What is the range? Very simple. Sir, we can write a program for this purpose. So in C colon Prakash classes, already we have demo.java program is there. Let me open. In this program, sir, you can write one small instruction. Okay, we can write one small instruction. Sir, what is that instruction? Is nothing but byte data minimum underscore value, byte data maximum underscore value. Okay, sir, have a look once. This min underscore value is going to return minimum value of this byte data type. Max underscore value is going to return maximum value of this byte data type. Okay, so for that you can able to get only in the wrapper classes. Okay, so by default, if you want to calculate, we have to write some formula, but our wrapper classes are providing some kind of a flexibility. Not only this one, sir, I want to show you one small thing. So from that you can get, sir, how beautiful these wrapper classes are. Okay, 1 minute. I will show you how it is going to work. 1 minute, matter of 1 minute. Maybe you have seen in different scenarios. Okay, sir, have a look once. I'm taking Java P, sir, Java data, lang data, sir, integer wrapper class is there, sir. In this integer wrapper class, we have some user friendly methods are there. So you can see what are those methods. 1 minute, I will show you. Yes, just I'm not going for in detail. Just I want to take only these methods. Okay, and also these methods. Sir, here you can see. So toString method is there, which will convert anything to string. Okay, and 2 hex string is there. That means you can convert your integer into hexadecimal. You can convert your integer into octal. You can convert your integer into binary string. Sir, such a big code you have to write. Sir, 1 minute, I want to show you a small application related to this. Okay, sir, we have another batch is there, logic based programming. Maybe you have heard about this, sir, where we are going to talk about the programming mainly. Okay, mm, 1 minute. Yes, decimal to binary program is there. So LVP number 019. Yes, sir, you can see If I want to convert from decimal to binary, some theory statement is there. Of course, it is a logic based programming where we are going to discuss some previously asked MNC questions. Okay. Sir, if you want to implement in C language that a program, see how much code you have to take. You need to think how it is going to work and you have to implement on your brain. But in Java, have you observed integer dot to binary string is there? Just we have to pass that number. Is this function or not? Yes. Okay. Sir, similarly, you can get minimum value present in that. You can get maximum value present in that. Even if you want, you can get, I think so, size and bytes is also possible. Let me try. Okay. Sir, byte dot, I want to take, sir, size. Okay. I want to take size. Similarly, I want to take bytes. Let me check what output we are going to get for this. Sir, Java C, how you can able to compile. So demo right file name is, sir, demo.java I'm taking, trying to compile, and Java space demo. Sir, you can see what output we are getting. Sir, it is going to take 8 bits. So it is going to take 1 byte. What is the minimum value, sir? 128. What is the maximum value, sir? 127. So hence the range of this data type is nothing but minus 128 to plus 127. So if you want to use this type of data, then better to go for this byte data type. Okay, better to go for this byte data type. So other than this, if you want to use any data, then you have to go for next data types like short integer, like long integer. We have to go. Okay, sir, I hope the terminology related to this byte data type, it is very clear for you people, sir, right? Please confirm. Do you have any doubts up to this, friends? Right, sir. Now I want to represent the same terminology for short integer. Okay, short data type we are going to discuss. Sir, of course, same points only I am going to talk about here. Okay, let us see. Sir, only some changes will be there. What is a data type name? Integer only, and it is represented like short. It will occupy 2 bytes. 2 bytes means what? 16 bits. And then wrapper class name is short, default value is 0. But what about minimum and maximum? Sir, I am going for short dot min value, short dot max value. I don't want this. Let me compile the code. So minus 32,768. Sir, minus 32,768 to plus 32,767 is the range of this short data type. Next, sir, I want to go for next data types. Like, sir, I need to take integer data type. So integer data type. If you take integer data type, the keyword used for that is nothing but int. If you take integer data type, the keyword used for that is int. It will occupy 4 bytes. That means 32 bits. So it is not int, sir. Wrapper class name is not int. It is nothing but integer. The default value is 0. Sir, what about range? Okay, you need to take the complete name, integer dot minimum value, and sir, integer dot maximum value. Let me compile the code and let us run. So here you can able to see minus 21,000. I mean, not 21,000, some bigger value we have, even we can't able to pronounce. Okay, like this we have. So best example for you to understand, suppose consider I want to represent my mobile number, sir. Sir, if you take any mobile number, it will be in this format only, right? Like, write this. Sir, let me check, is this data is can be accommodated in this or not? Let me cross check. Sir, have you observed? Both are having 10 digits only. But in this 10 digit, up to 21 crores or lakhs it is going to accept, but this one 91, which we can't accommodate. So in such cases we have to go for larger to this. What is that, sir? Long data type. Okay, I think now you are getting what is the importance of these data types. So long integer we have, which will occupy 8 bytes, that means 32 bits, sorry, 64 bits it is going to occupy. The name is nothing but sir, long you have to take. Default value is 0 only. But what about range? Sir, still bigger values it is going to hold. Let me cross check, sir. Long dot min value, and here I am going to take, sir, long dot max value. Okay, let me cross check how it is going to occupy. I want to cross check. Let us save the code. Let us compile and let us execute. Sir, you can see, is it a bigger value or not? Yes. So these type of values, if you want to store, then always recommended to go for long data type. I think, sir, with this you got clarity what is mean by data types, how you can able to represent these data types, and how to work with this. Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this, friends? Everyone, please confirm. Right, sir. Okay, so this is nothing but demo session what we have, sir, and we are going to continue from the next week. The regular classes are going to be started, okay, every Saturday and Sunday at 7 o'clock. Okay.